Hi, I'm Matt from Ellis Winters Estate Agents. Properties are selling faster than ever. Keep watching this video to hear about Ellis Winters Property Premier Group, where you get to join over 400 local buyers that get to hear about properties before they're officially launched. We have had another month of sales agreed exceeding new instructions in PE 15, 8 and 9. In this area in June, there are 41 new properties put to market with 61 sales agreed. That is a similar level for new instruction and sales agreed compared to May. Asking prices have continued to rise, however, not to the same level as recorded in previous months. A modest 0.8% increase in asking prices was recorded in June, according to Rightmove. That's still the largest increase in June recorded since 2015, and we're anticipating that to continue through the summer months. Those of you looking for property may feel frustrated by the limited stock available. To make matters worse, buyers may even find that several viewings have been booked or offers have even been made on property before they are launched on Rightmove or other property portals. To give you a fighting chance, we have just launched our Ellis Winters Property Premier Group on Facebook. In this group, we'll post sneak peeks of properties before they go to market, as well as post properties that have been marketed on a low-key basis for particular clients. In this group, we have over 400 members, and it's been going for around 2 weeks, and it's free to join. Click on the link in the description below, or click on the link on the screen to join this group. Thank you very much for watching.